What is good, kings and queens, and welcome back to another video by your boy Sam. Today's a Wednesday, so that means today is a money day. We love talking all good things money related, and in today's video I'm just going to be placing the landscape for how these Wednesday sessions will kind of run. So typically my hope is that on these Wednesdays is for me to provide you a clear, good golden nugget regarding anything money related. So how to either manage your money and how to either invest, and again keeping it super simple so that even the most basic person can understand, because investing isn't complicated. You just want to know the fundamentals and how to also not allow money to be dragged away from you by all these things that we have in our lives. So for example, even to the extent of how to find the best gas and electricity supply for your area, because it is selective for your area, and unless you know the game, you'll get cheated out of your own money. So and I rather want you having that money back into your pocket or back into your business so that you can benefit from that, or even again how to reduce your council tax potentially, or just anything related to tax that you may not be aware of but will benefit you if you knew about it. Alright, so if you are interested to learn about this kind of stuff, be sure to definitely follow this page, be sure to hit that like button, be sure to subscribe so you don't miss any future videos, and be sure to comment down below, let me know what thing would you like to learn in regards to money, so that I know also what kind of content to create for you guys to ensure you're getting the most bang for buck, best time content for yourselves. Alright, so that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to also like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care, guys. Peace.